I've got to say, trading with an AI bot is absolutely fantastic. It really is. I mean, I've been doing this 20 years and the results are fantastic. There's no emotion in it. There's no getting out trades too early. There's no getting in trades too early. There's no having mistakes every day with your trading. I know what it's like to become a trader, especially a day trader. You know, it takes effort and time, but no longer. The bot does all the work for us, and it can bring in some fantastic results. It will never miss trades. It will never get out trades too early. It will just do what you tell it to do. And so this is how we combine the human with the machine. I'm going to show you here how much you could have made day trading the Dow today, and step by step how to set it up, because it's so easy. The first step to catching big moves like this is you've always got to go up to your anchor chart. In this case, it was our 4-hour time frame on the Dow. Now, this morning, we got a trend predictor, one of our fantastic indicators. It's this red arrow here. It told us, and this candlestick never happened yet, it told us that the next candlestick is likely to go down. All right, it's working in real time, saying the next candlestick is likely to go down. It hadn't happened yet. So what we do is we deploy the short momentum bot. Let me show you how we would set it up. Okay, so here we are inside the dashboard, and it really is just to fill in the spaces here, guys. Okay, so type in the Dow short 27th February when we got the signals. I'm putting a 25 grand funded account here. I'm sure you guys have got much bigger funded accounts, but this is a £25,000 account. I'm going to make sure I got the right market, because the Dow Jones is where I've got the short trend predictor signal. So I'm going to look for 15-minute sell signals, and I'm going to sell, not buy, because it's a sell trend predictor. So remember that the trend predictor signaled on the 4-hour time frame, but we're going to be taking trades short in the 15-minute time frame. You can choose whatever time frame you want to, but in my experience, if we get a 4-hour signal, I want to be using as much buying power to short, or in this case short the market, and get as much profit as I can. We're going to go in at market. Okay, so as soon as that signal comes along, we're going to go in. Or the bot's going to go in. We're going to risk 1%. The stop's at the last swing, and we're having a 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. And here is the 27th of February and the 28th of February. We need to put in the date one day after, just to get the data from today's trading. Of course, nothing has happened tomorrow yet. We're going to do no optimization, and I'm just going to see how much you could have made in today's trading. So it did 2 trades. It made £438, which was a very nice return on investment. It made 1.75% profit, but it made £438 in one trade. I mean, you're not far away. A few more trades like that, you're not far away from passing, if you're using a funded account, from passing it with a 25k account. So on one day's trading, it's up £438. Now, if you're somebody that's not using a funded account, you're using your own account, and that could be a spread betting account, because you can attach the bot to the spread betting account, and it will take trades whenever you set it up. So remember, the key to this learning is, guys, could you have made more money? You might well have done, but would you have made more money playing golf, or out on your bike, or working, or doing something else, not your screens? That's a bit of a tongue-in-cheek statement there, but what I'm saying is, this stuff is so good. Stuff is so good. And with the market starting to hot up now, there's going to be ample opportunities. I think March is going to be absolutely brilliant. And we're starting to get these big moves now, intraday. So you at the start of the day could set your bots up to run, and literally they will take trades for you while you're doing something else for the rest of the day. It is absolutely incredible. And we've got 4 or 5 bots that can trade in any market environment. You just deploy them once you know what you're doing. So absolutely fantastic. Great risk reward trades. Great trades. £438 profit. 1 winner, it looks like, and 1 loser here, but still made money. And if you're not trading with a bot, which you should be, just shows you here, you get your risk reward right. You can see here our risk rewards are 3 to 1. If we're risking 1, but then we make 3, okay, with your trading, you're always going to be profitable if you've got a good win rate. And today we had a win rate of 50%, one winner, one loser, and it still made £438. How cool is that? Make sure you get a call back, guys. Get on this revolution, because the AI bot is making some serious returns.